it. Most professionals are sitting on a gold mine they don't know how to open. Your Microsoft 365 subscription already includes one of the most powerful AI platforms in the modern workplace. You just haven't unlocked it yet. Power BI connects to your company's data and turns raw numbers into visual dashboards. But in 2026, the AI layer does something far more powerful. It doesn't just show you what happened, it tells you why, what's coming next, and what you should do about it. 4 AI features are already built inside Power BI. 1. Copilot. Ask business questions in plain English. No formulas, no code. 2. Smart narrative. AI automatically writes a summary of your dashboard. 3. Key influencers. Machine learning reveals what is driving your numbers. 4. Anomaly detection. AI flags unusual data spikes and tells you the likely cause. Step 1. Connect your live data. Step 2. Ask Copilot a plain English question like, what were our top 5 products last month? Step 3. Use key influencers. Step 4. Run a 90-day AI forecast. Step 5. Apply security so everyone only sees what they're authorized to see. For sales, which region is underperforming? For finance, flag expense categories above budget. For HR, what factors are associated with employee retention? But watch out. Mistake 1. Dirty data. Mistake 2. Vanity dashboards. Mistake 3. Skipping role-level security. The companies winning in 2026 turn data into a clear story. Your AI Copilot is in the passenger seat. It's time to ask it where to go. For the full guide, check the link in the description. Like and subscribe to AI Buzz. See you in the next one.